Mother, how elegant I am. You see it? You see it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We just stay in the house.
What?
We just stay in the house to celebrate Kyla's birthday. Because of the weather, it's hard for us to go out.
Okay.
But we have a dress. Is that okay, Mother? Oh, look, me and Mother have a dress, well, for Kyla's birthday. Just stay in the house. Kita ang type reaction nila kaya ko na makita niya. Mabang tingin.
Oh, look at you, nice and sexy. Huh? You're beautiful, baby.
Elegante.
Yes,
I'm gonna be expensive wife from Okay, make a wish.